Next, let's take a look at how to perform plugin development for user interaction, specifically RSG plugin development. This plugin development is mainly used for when we need to input and process our parameters. During the input process, we won't need to use the getInputs code for input, nor will we need to enter them via the command line. We can simply use the plugin we've created to perform the parameter input. So how do we do this? We need to click on plugins here. Then under the Abacus menu, there is such a plugin, a specific tool for input. Let's open the panel, and then we can configure the relevant settings. If we set it up here, we won't need to use the PDE as we just did. We won't need to stay in the PDE to set up the lines we wrote previously. Open the PDE and then open one of our previous files. Then we need to delete the command lines from just now.
Focus on various issues in finite element analysis. For more related professional knowledge, please follow my YouTube channel or click on the relevant links of each video to learn.